ZD7-630HA Pro rated output amperage is 630 amps. Rated input capacity is 35.3 kV amps. 1000 HA Pro rated output amperage is 1000 amps. Rated input capacity is 54.5. 1250 HA Pro rated output amperage is 1250 amps. Rated input capacity is 70.5. 1600 HA Pro rated output amperage is 1600 amps. Rated input capacity is 105. Input power is 380 volt plus or minus 10%, 50/60 Hz. 630 HA Pro recommended input power and ground cable cross-section greater than or equal to 6 square millimeters. Recommended switch capacity greater than or equal to 63 amps. 1250 HA Pro recommended input power and ground cable cross-section greater than or equal to 25 square millimeters. Recommended switch capacity greater than or equal to 125. 1600 HA Pro recommended input power and ground cable cross-section greater than or equal to 50 square millimeters. Recommended switch capacity greater than or equal to 160. With a 100% duty cycle at 40 degrees C, these submerged arc welders are built for high-intensity, heavy-duty industrial use. IP23S protection rating, withstands rain sprays at any angle up to plus or minus 60 degrees from vertical. Enhanced safety with rugged, long-lasting reliability. ZD7-630HA Pro net weight, 40 kilograms. ZD7-1000HA Pro net weight, 76 kilograms. ZD7-1250HA Pro net weight, 78 kilograms. 1600HA Pro net weight, 140 kilograms. This series of power sources is primarily designed for submerged arc welding and carbon arc gouging on carbon steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel.